Huh? Huh. Yeah!
Wow, isn't it great? It's so pretty.
What?
Ladies and gentlemen, tonight's performance is a story that takes place long, long ago. Our heroine, Princess Cornelia, is torn from her lover, Marcus. She attempts to flee the castle, only to be captured by her father, King Leo. When our story begins, Marcus, having heard this, crosses swords with the king. And now, your Royal Majesty, Queen Brahne, your Highness, Princess Garnet. Noble ladies and lords and our rooftop viewers, Tantalus proudly presents I Want to Be Your Canary.
Bereft of father, bereft of mother, Marcus, thou hast lost even thy love. Fortune hath escaped thee. For what end shalt thou live?
For the sake of our friend, let us bear our steel in the heart of the wretched King Leo.
Aye. We shall back thee, kinsman.
Pray, seat thy soul, this villain is mine alone!
Nay, kinsman, for I too have lost a brother to this the end.
Alpha!
Yeah!
Away! Then I sworn before the king, all who stand in my way will be crushed!
Treacherous Leo, suffering shall not be in vain, for I shall instruct thee in incomparable pain.
For Cornelia!
Burn!
Hiya! I can't be with you, brother.
Stay still!
Hammer time! Hiya! Here I come!
I will never accept defeat. Thou hast not seen the last of me, Marcus!
Come back! Out of my way, Blank!
Consider this, Zidane. If Prince Schneider were to marry Princess Cornelia, peace would reign over both their kingdoms.
'Tis foolishness. So easy. Why, none would suffer in this world. Aha! Aha! Yeah.
On guard!
Expect no quarter from me.
We shall finish
Come
this
back here.
later! Finish changing, Zidane?
Yeah, but this helmet... kinda smells.
What are you talking about? My helmet totally reeks. My armor's way too big. And my back's real itchy. The boots are wet. My gloves are all slimy. And there's cookie crumbs on my pocket.
Okay, I get the picture. You still have the package, right?
Don't worry. I won't screw up.
Alright. First I'll go pour some sleep potion in Princess Garnet's teacup.
And I've got something special for the lovely queen. You're sleeping so soundly. According to Recon, the royal suit should be right these stairs.
Got it!
Uh-oh. The scene where Marcus sneaks into Cornelius' chamber is about to start. Let's get this over with before the finale, okay?
Huh? She sure is dressed funny.
Would you please let me pass?
Let's see.
Is there something on my face?
Oh no. You see, I just thought maybe you were the one I'd been waiting for all this time.
Excuse me, you were waiting for me?
Yeah, I've dreamt of meeting you here ever since I was born.
Do you mock me?
No, of course not.
Then I shall take my leave of you.
Just a sec. Haven't we met before?
No, I do not know you.
Maybe you're right. I'd never let someone as pretty as you get away. Say...
Hey! What's going on?
I must go!
Whoa, 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 whoa! Who the heck was that?
That was Princess Garnet!
Are you serious?